welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and those ones who are subscribing, thank you so much. And let's take a quick look. I'm going to be showing you how you can play it, the cornrows. Yes, I'm going to be showing how you can play the cornrows. So I want you to look at this very careful, because it's somehow a bit tricky, but we're going to do it slowly, very slowly, up to the end. And what I'm thinking is, I just want to do it, and after I style it, because this one, most of the times I always play it pregnant women, because they like things which doesn't give them hard time, like in sitting in the salon for a long time. Yeah, because this one it can take like an hour, 1 hour and 20 minutes, you're done. Yes, so that's why I always play it people with pregnant women, because they don't give them hard time. So when I'm done with it, I'm going to style it so that it doesn't disturb her at all. So I want you to take each step by step so that you watch and see how I'm doing my cornrows. I'm by the names of Maurice, the crochet master, and here is, I'm not on the crochet this time, I'm trying to do the cornrows. Yeah, so as I promised, we do this every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's where I'll be showing you how to do different types of hairstyles. Yeah, because I can do all hairstyles. So just subscribe so that we keep on doing this together. You see, when I'm doing my cornrows, it's just a matter of you just keep on adding. Just like that. You start with a small one, very small. You start with a small one, then you keep on adding on the volume, just like that, up to the end. So this is how we keep on doing the cornrows. Yeah. Another thing, like when you're trying to cut your lines, please try to make them very neat. Yes, try to make them very neat, because it's when it gives you good results when you do it. So this is how I keep on doing it. And a shout out to my friends in Kasese, yes, Uganda. Jovia, thank you so much for subscribing, Herzip, and loving Herzip. Yeah, I see you. And my friend Maureen, thank you so much. So this is how I keep on. I told you how you just keep on adding. Yeah, you just keep on adding, just like that. And we have an academy here at Hairzyp. You can always come, you register, and we start learning all these hairstyles. Yeah, when you're here, and those people are far. All you can do is just subscribe, and you'll keep on watching all these hairstyles from where you are, so that we keep sharing the ideas. And if you have any question that you would want to ask, please just ask. I'm there to answer all your questions. So you see how I keep on doing my cornrows? Yes, just like that. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm trying my best, because I see this is my she's the third one. Yeah, she's the third one that I'm doing. So here is, I'm trying to finish up the braiding, just like that. And I remember I told you that this hair always plaited pregnant women. So sometimes they when the hair is long, it irritates them. So I'm going to try to make it short, and make it short. It means I'm going to style it. So here is, I'm done with them, and I can't just leave them like that. So let me try to sketch around and see how I'm going to hold them. Yeah, just like that. You see, I'm trying to do a sketch. You should always have those sketches because they help a lot. You just know where you're going to start from and where you're going to end. Yeah, just like that. So I already got the art of how I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to separate them in the middle so that I plait my 3. Yes, just like that. Yes, you see how I'm doing my cornrows. Yeah, you see how I'm just going to try to style it. Yeah, just like that. Yes, that's why I would say that those people who are watching right now, please try to ask questions because I want us to keep on sharing the ideas. Yes, I want us to keep on sharing the ideas because there are those things that I would want to know from you guys, and yes, you also want to know more things from me. So it's good we keep on sharing the ideas. So you see how I'm trying to style it behind so that it doesn't disturb her at all. And for this time, I'm not going to use pins. Yes, because those ones, they can easily come out. So I'm going to use threads so that I just tie them very firm, and there she's good to go, so that yeah, it won't disturb her at all. You see, just like that. So thank you so much for those one who are subscribing now, and those ones who are coming. Thank you so much. Come and join us and we do this together. And by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master, keep loving hair zipper, and I sign out. You can go watch you can go see the pictures on my website, which is www.hairzippers.com. I love you so much, and may God bless you.